Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I have a mini brands unboxing of one of the mini brands I bought at Target. So we're going to open this up and see which ones I get. So first you pull on the zipper tab here and you open the outside of the plastic. So I'm really still looking for the mini brand toys because I think those are super cute and that's what I really want. But these are the mini brand groceries. So we'll see if I get what I want with the mini brand groceries. Which I don't know what I want because I don't have any of them. So let's see. So next I'm trying to get off the plastic that is in the next layer of plastic. So I had trouble, so I ended up having to use scissors. So I cut it with scissors and now it's much easier to open. So now let's see what I get. And don't mind my nails because I need to redo them. So first I got artisan Nothings flax seeds. So they're like little crackers, super cute. So next I got another little box and it's Orson garlic herbs, which I've not heard of this, but it is super cute with the little ingredients on the back. So far I got two little boxes. I was trying to focus on them for you, but I show them all at the end of the video again. So if you want to see them closer, wait for the end. So next I get this one, and it's a little Kool-Aid container, and it's tropical punch or fruit punch Kool-Aid. I think this is my favorite because it's super cute and I like Kool-Aid, and it's my first plastic one. The others are kind of like you know, like little cardboard boxes. So this is my favorite one so far. And then here's a better look at the artisan flaxseed one and the garlic herbs. Okay, so I have two more left to go. So it looks like this one is some almonds, some blue diamond almonds with a little blue lid. Super cute. And it's even written on the lid, so that's my second favorite one so far. And then this is my last one, and it comes with a checklist in the last one that I picked, and it looks like it's Bullseye barbecue sauce. And then here's all the ones on the checklist. I don't believe I have any that are rare. Just from glancing over this, I don't have any of the gold ones. I don't have any of the rare ones. And I don't have the glow in the dark one. So I'm gonna keep looking for the toy ones because I think the toy ones are the super cute ones. So I hope you like seeing what mini brands I got in my unboxing. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.